In the previous lecture, we have discussed the question of the straight lines, forms of the line, slope, and yesterday also we have discussed about the exercise 10.2. Their questions. I am discussing more of the question of this exercise. The question number 11 here. In the question number 11, we have here a line perpendicular to the line segment joining point 10 and 23. There is any line having the points 10 and 23. One line is perpendicular to this. A line perpendicular to the line segment joining the point this. This line is perpendicular to this line and dividing in the ratio 1:n. Then what we have to do? Find the equation of the line. We have to find the equation of the line. Let us take this point A as A and this as B. Let A 10, B 23 are given points. Let line L is perpendicular to AB and divides AB at point say C in ratio 1:n. Now we have to find the equation of line L. First of all, we find the slope of AB. Slope of AB is given by, say, call it as M1. So here we have 2 points, so to find the slope, we apply that the 2-point formula for the slope, that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, it becomes 3 minus 0 upon 2 minus 1, it's 3. Now slope of line L, say M2. If two lines are perpendicular, then their projective slope is -1, so M2 becomes -1 upon M1, it's -1 upon 3. Now since point C divides AB in ratio 1:n, so coordinate of C R. Point C is dividing AB, so we find the coordinate of C by using section formula. That is mx2 yani 1 into 2 n into 1 upon 1 plus n, 1 into 3 n into 0 upon 1 plus n. So that is 3 plus n upon 1 plus n, 3 upon, sorry, 2 plus 1, 2 plus n upon 1 plus n, 3 upon 1 plus n. That is the coordinate of C. Now this point C is lying on the line L. So we have two things about line L, that is the slope and the point lying on the line L. So we use formula here, slope point form. So equation of line L is M2 is equal to y minus y1 upon x minus x1, it's -1 upon 3, y minus 3 upon 1 plus n, and x minus 2 plus n upon 1 plus n. So it becomes here, क्या लेंगे यहाँ पर, सॉल्व कर लेते हैं इसको. ये बन जाएगा हमारे पास -x प्लस 2 प्लस n अपॉन 1 प्लस n इज इक्वल टू 3y minus 9 upon 1 plus n, minus x minus 3y minus 9 upon 1 plus n minus 2 plus n upon 1 plus n, minus x minus 3y minus 9 minus 2 minus n 1 plus n. So it becomes minus x minus 3y minus 11 minus n upon 1 plus n, taking minus n common, x plus 3y is equal to 11 plus n upon 1 plus n. Okay. This is the question number 15. It is the perpendicular from the origin to a line meets at a point. We draw a rough figure here. Rough figure बना रहे हैं यहाँ पर. -2. let it be say point minus 29, perpendicular from it, from origin to the line. The perpendicular from origin to the line, okay, the perpendicular from origin to the line meets at point minus 29. Find the equation of line. We have to find the equation of line. इस लाइन की इक्वेशन निकालनी है. Let P minus 29 is a point on line L, and let OP is perpendicular to line L. So first of all, slope of OP. What is M1? It is origin 0 0. So M1 is given by y2 minus y1, 9 minus 0, minus 2 minus 0, minus 9 upon 2. Therefore, slope of line L, that is M2, becomes minus 1 upon M1, gives you 2 upon 9. So equation of line L is given by M is equal to, say, y minus y1 upon x minus x1, 2 upon 9, what is M2, y minus 9x plus 2, 2x plus 4, 9y minus 81, 2x minus 9y plus 85. Okay? Now we see more questions of this exercise. This is question number 18. It is saying that if PAB is the midpoint of the line segment between the axes, let us draw a line, and let us assume that this line cuts axis at A and B with a point, say, C0 and 0D. It is given to us that AB is the midpoint. This P is the midpoint of the line between the axes, means the midpoint of AB here. We have to show that the equation of A is x upon A plus y upon B is equal to 2. So यहाँ लिखेंगे let required line cut x axis at A, say C0, and y axis at B, 0D. Since PAB is midpoint of AB, now applying the midpoint formula, the coordinate of the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2 must be equal to AB. C upon 2, D upon 2 is equal to AB. So C upon 2 is equal to A, C is twice of A. D upon 2 is going to B, D is going to be twice of B. By using the intercept formula of the line, equation of line is, now x intercept is C, so x upon C, y upon D is 0. X intercept is C, y intercept is D. So intercept from the x upon A plus y upon D. So in the place of A we write here C, in the place of B we write here D, placing the value of A here, x upon 2A, y upon 2B is equal to 1. 1 upon 2 as common, x upon A, or x upon A plus y upon B is equal to, and that we have to show here. See question number 19. Prove point RHK divides the line segment with the axis in the ratio 1:2. अब यहाँ midpoint ने दिया है, क्या given है, that R divides this AB. Let us take again A as, say, A0, B as 0B. Any point R divides in ratio 1:2. This one is 1 and this one is 2. So we have to find the equation of line. Line का लिखेंगे let required line cut x axis at a0 and y axis at b0. Let point R with coordinates h and k divides AB in 1:2. So coordinate of R by applying the section formula. This is R is dividing AB in 1:2. We apply the section formula here. So coordinate of R is mx2 and x1. Then 1 into b plus 2 into 0 upon 2. 1 into 0. Now coordinate of R is hk, so hk is equal to 2a upon 2, that is a. I don't think so. It is mx2 1 into 0 and 2 into a. Okay. Then 1 into b and 2 into 0. So a and it is b upon 2. It becomes here 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2. It comes here 2a upon 3. It is b upon 3. Okay? 1 into b and 2 into 0. So h is equal to 2a upon 3 and k is equal to b upon 3, 3h upon 2 is equal to a and 3k is equal to b. So equation of line intercept form is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. In the place of a we write 3h upon 2 is x, 3h by 2 y, 3k is equal to 1. So it's 2x upon h, y upon k is equal to, that's the equation of the line. By using concept, is the question number 20, by the using concept of equation of line, prove the points 3, 0 called as A, minus 2 called as B, A2 called as C are collinear. Using concept of line, we have to show that they are collinear. So looking like are given points. तो collinear होता है then मतलब फॉर्मूला लगाते हैं a prime is equal to 0 half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y3 minus y1 0. But by using concept of slope of line, we can prove that they are collinear, because if they are collinear point, they are lying on the same line, it means that they have same slope. So first of all, we find the slope of AB. Slope of AB, that is m1, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1 is 2 upon 5. Slope of BC, y2 minus y1, 2 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 4 upon 10, that is 2 upon 5. Now since m1 is equal to m2, we have read if the slopes are equal, when the lines are parallel, it implies AB is parallel to BC. But what are the parallel lines? The parallel lines are those which have no point in common. But here the point B is in common, that's why we can't call them as the parallel lines. But point B is common, therefore A, B, C are collinear. इसका तीनों पॉइंट्स कैसे हैं, एक ही लाइन पे लाई करते हैं तभी इनका स्लोप कैसा आ रहा है, इक्वल मींस दैट दे हैव द सेम स्लोप बिकॉज दे आर लाइंग ऑन द सेम लाइन. As the line is same, that's why the slope is same. That's all about the second exercise I've discussed with you. That exercise 10.2. Try all the questions, solve it in your copy. Okay, take the help of the concepts I had taught you. With the next subtopic, that is general equation of line and more concepts, I will come with to teach you in the next lecture. Till then, thank you.